In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make LED screen art using Nano Banana. We'll move from a blank browser to a finished AI-generated concept that looks like it belongs on a massive 3D LED corner screen. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This keeps everything simple and ensures you're starting from a clean, familiar place. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. This is the creative AI tool we'll use to generate the LED screen art. Look for the official Google Gemini results so you know you're using the trusted site. When you land on the Gemini page, you should see the app interface ready for prompts and creative tools. Layouts can evolve over time, so if the screen looks a little different, focus on finding the image creation area. Next, click Create Image. This is the action that activates the Nano Banana capability behind the scenes. Think of Nano Banana as the generation engine that turns your ideas into visuals. If you don't see the exact wording, look for an equivalent Generate or Image Creation button in the same area of the interface. Now, click the plus sign to upload a reference image. This gives the AI a visual anchor to work from. Choose a clear, high-resolution image that matches the vibe you're aiming for, and make sure you have the right to use it. Strong contrast, clean composition, and a subject that reads well at large scale will help your final result feel convincing on an LED display. After that, it's time to craft your prompt. You can use this example as is, or tailor it slightly to your vision. An enormous L-shaped glasses-free 3D LED screen positioned at a busy city intersection in a style similar to Shinjuku in Tokyo or Taikoo-li in Chengdu. This prompt gives clear guidance on scale, format, location vibe, and the glasses-free 3D effect. If you want to push the realism further, consider adding details like time of day, atmosphere, or camera angle, such as dusk lighting, neon reflections on wet pavement, or wide-angle street-level view. When your reference is uploaded and your prompt looks good, click Submit. The system will generate one or more images based on your inputs. Give it a moment to process. When the results appear, scan for depth, perspective, and how the content wraps around the L-shaped corner. If something's slightly off, small prompt adjustments can make a big difference. Tighter descriptors usually lead to tighter outcomes. And that's it. You've used Google Gemini's image creation with Nano Banana to produce striking LED screen art concepts. Experiment with different references and prompt variations, and you'll quickly build a library of visuals ready to impress.